Hi folks, well at last we've got a nice sunny weekend without any rain. As you can see, lovely blue skies, but unfortunately the ground's absolutely solid. So again this year I'm going to try potatoes and woodchip, but I'm going to do it slightly different. Last year's weren't a great success. I'll drop the video in the description below if you want to have a look. So anyway, what I'm going to do this year is, all these wood chips here is dropped off by a local tree surgeon. So this stuff here at the back is about 3 years old. So I'm going to riddle it and I'm going to add that to 25 litre tubs. These bags are multi-purpose compost, so they're 40 litres, so I'm going to put 20 litres, 5 litres of the sifted wood chips, a bit of blood fish and bone, mix it up, and I'm going to plant them like that. I'm only going to do 2 buckets. I've got Swift and Rocket on order. They're due to be dispatched on the 17th, which is 6 days for today. So as soon as I get them, I'll do a video on potting them up. I was going to do a practical video today, but the ground's absolutely solid, so I'm not really going to be able to do much on that. But it was just a wee kind of updating what I was going to do with the potatoes. I know it is textbook, it's too early to be planting potatoes because of the frost, etc. But I'm gonna do it anyway, and I'm gonna stick them into the polytunnel. I've also got some fleece that I can protect them with, so then let's see how it goes. So it's only an experiment like last year's, but I'm going to add a bit more nutrition. I just thought, you know, wood chip last year might grow them. Never tried it before. Everybody says it's not a good idea, they'll never grow. I think I probably doubled what I put in, which was quite pitiful really, but let's see how this goes, and then the rest and just pots at the normal time. Right, so anyway, we'll just have a wee look round. Not much to see while we're here. So the garlic is still there, not much growth on it. The onions in there, the same. We've not had a lot of growth there, but everything's green, so that's a good sign, I would think. More garlic in there, and another lot here. The broad beans, so I planted 18 seeds, and there's one showing there that's been battered with the frost, but it's probably okay. Another one here, there's one over there. We've got one here, so they might have not been a great success. That's the raspberries that have still to come out and get into pots. More autumn champion onions in there. That needs to be pruned as well, but I didn't bring my secateurs. So I'll wrap that one up for today. Sorry there wasn't that much content in it, but hopefully when it thaws out I can put a proper action video up, so to speak. So anyway, catch you on the next one. Bye.